Welcome to MarketTheMagnet. These innovative organizers and storage solutions transform cluttered spaces into tidy, functional areas, keeping everything from cables and papers to kitchen essentials, hats, and pantry items neatly arranged and easily accessible. All products links in the description section below. Crafting fresh meals at home becomes even more enjoyable when your kitchen tools actually make life easier. Whether you're experimenting with new recipes, hosting a cozy dinner, or just elevating everyday cooking, this pasta maker fits seamlessly into your routine. It delivers smooth, consistent sheets and perfectly cut noodles with almost no effort, ideal for busy lifestyles that still crave quality. And with a price of $89.99, it's an upgrade worth trying. If you love starting your day with cafe-quality flavor, this espresso machine fits beautifully into any modern kitchen routine. From rich morning shots to smooth cold brews and effortless frothy drinks, it turns everyday moments into little luxuries. The built-in grinder, presets, and guided brewing make it perfect for anyone who wants great coffee without the learning curve. And with a price of $529.99, it's a seriously tempting upgrade for any coffee lover. Transforming your living room setup becomes surprisingly fun with a smart coffee table that blends style and convenience. Whether you're hosting friends, enjoying movie nights, or just keeping essentials close, this table brings everything together: chilled drinks, Bluetooth speakers, charging ports, and soft LED ambience. It's the kind of upgrade that instantly elevates your space without any extra effort. And with a price of $1,299.99, it's a modern centerpiece worth considering. Sometimes it's the simplest kitchen tools that make cooking feel smoother and more enjoyable. This sleek peeler fits perfectly into everyday meal prep, from quick veggies to detailed garnishes, making each task easier with its ultra-sharp blade and comfortable wooden handle. It's lightweight, durable, and stylish enough to leave out on the counter. And with a price of $14.99, it's a small upgrade that brings big convenience to your kitchen routine. Quick meals feel so much easier when you have a grill that adapts to whatever you're craving: sandwiches, steaks, veggies, or quick snacks. This panini press heats evenly, opens flat for larger meals, and gives you simple temperature control so your food comes out just right every time. It's compact enough for small kitchens yet powerful enough for everyday cooking. And with a price of $40.99, it's a budget-friendly upgrade that adds real convenience. Staying consistent with healthy habits gets a lot easier when your blender can handle everything from quick smoothies to hearty soups and frozen treats. This Vitamix delivers powerful, professional-grade performance with effortless blending and simple preset programs, making it ideal for busy mornings or family meals. It's reliable, easy to clean, and built to last, perfect for everyday use without the fuss. And with a price of $334.95, it's a premium tool that's truly worth the investment. Making quick homemade meals feels so much easier when you have a tool that speeds up prep without adding effort. This meat chopper breaks down ground beef, turkey, or veggies in seconds, helping you cook faster and more evenly, perfect for tacos, sauces, or weeknight skillets. It's lightweight, safe for all cookware, and simple to clean, so it fits right into any busy kitchen routine. And with a price of $9.99, it's a small tool with big impact. Keeping your kitchen tidy feels so much easier with a simple tool that protects your surfaces and gives you extra workspace when you need it. This silicone stovetop cover doubles as a drying mat and heat-resistant trivet, making it surprisingly versatile for everyday cooking and cleanup. It keeps countertops clean, adds breathing room for prep, and stores away effortlessly. And with a price of $9.99, it's an affordable upgrade that instantly improves your kitchen flow. A reliable coffee maker can make your mornings feel smoother, especially when it gives you the control to brew exactly the way you like. This Cuisinart model lets you choose your strength, set your schedule, and enjoy a cup even before the full pot finish is perfect for busy households or slow, cozy mornings. With its large capacity and easy controls, it fits effortlessly into everyday routines. And at $99.95, it delivers dependable performance without stretching your budget. Keeping your kitchen organized becomes effortless with a compact, smartly designed sponge holder that combines functionality and style. Its rotatable spout directs water straight to the sink, while separate compartments store sponges, brushes, and soap neatly, saving countertop space. Rust-proof stainless steel ensures durability. Perfect for busy kitchens or anyone who values a tidy workspace. And with a price of $26.99, it's an easy choice for everyday convenience. Turning your kitchen into a smart, connected hub is easier than ever with this Echo Show 15. From managing calendars and to-do lists to streaming shows or controlling smart home devices, it keeps your family organized and entertained. Its large HD screen doubles as a digital photo frame, while video calls feel natural with auto-framing technology. Perfect for modern kitchens seeking both function and flair. And with a price of $299.99, it's a tech upgrade worth exploring. A simple kitchen upgrade can make a big difference, and this stainless steel sink strainer does just that. It catches food particles and prevents clogs, keeping your sink clean and hygienic with minimal effort. Durable, rust-resistant, and dishwasher safe, it fits most drains and works flawlessly for everyday cooking and cleanup. Perfect for busy households or anyone who values convenience. And with a price of $7.99, it's an easy, affordable way to improve kitchen efficiency. Cooking healthier meals becomes effortless with this versatile air fryer that lets you fry, bake, roast, broil, and more, all with up to 75% less fat. Its spacious 6-quart capacity and easy-to-use touchscreen make it perfect for family dinners or meal prep, while the stylish pink design adds flair to any kitchen. Cleanup is simple, thanks to dishwasher-safe components. And with a price of $69.99, it's a tasty upgrade worth trying. Turning food scraps into nutrient-rich compost has never been easier with this smart electric composter. Quiet, odorless, and compact, it sits neatly on your countertop while reducing waste by up to 90% in just a few hours. Perfect for eco-conscious kitchens, it simplifies composting with easy-touch controls and dishwasher-safe components. Make your home greener without the hassle. And with a price of $229.99, it's a sustainable upgrade that truly pays off. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile 17-piece cookware set, perfect for everything from quick weeknight dinners to gourmet meals. Its non-stick, PFOA-free surfaces make cooking healthier and cleanup effortless, while removable handles and stackable designs save precious storage space. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, it's ideal for any home or even an RV. Stylish, practical, and durable, it makes cooking a joy. And with a price of $79.99, it's a smart, affordable investment. Make cooking faster and more enjoyable with this powerful electric food chopper, built to handle meats, veggies, nuts, and even frozen fruit in seconds. Its 2 8-cup bowls, sharp bi-level blades, and durable 450 West copper motor deliver smooth, consistent results for everyday meal prep. With built-in safety features and easy cleanup, it's a reliable partner for busy kitchens. All this efficiency comes at just $50.99, giving you effortless prep every day. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this versatile set of stainless steel mixing bowls that nest neatly, stay stable with non-slip bottoms, and seal tight with BPA-free lids. The included grater attachments make slicing, shredding, and prepping ingredients faster and cleaner, perfect for baking days, meal prepping, or storing leftovers. Durable, space-saving, and easy to clean. All this functionality comes at just $29.99, keeping your cooking organized daily. Bring a polished, professional feel to your kitchen with this all-black knife set designed for smooth slicing, easy care, and everyday reliability. The built-in sharpener keeps each blade ready for quick meal prep, whether you're chopping veggies, carving meats, or creating clean, precise cuts. Durable, well-balanced, and stylish enough to display on any countertop, it's a set that instantly upgrades your cooking routine. Priced at $109.99, it keeps your kitchen effortlessly sharp. Start your mornings with warm, fluffy waffles whether you're cooking at home, camping, or traveling in your RV. This lightweight stovetop waffle maker heats evenly, locks securely, and delivers perfect results in under 6 minutes. No bulky appliances needed. Its non-stick coating makes cleanup simple, while the compact design stores easily in any kitchen or travel setup. Ideal for quick breakfasts and outdoor adventures. Priced at $18.97, it makes waffle making wonderfully simple. Enjoy fresh, flavorful coffee every morning with this compact grind and brew machine designed for small kitchens, busy routines, and anyone who loves cafe-quality taste without the wait. With its built-in grinder, customizable brew sizes, smart alerts, and self-cleaning function, it gives you total control from beans to cup. Perfect for home or office, it even crafts smooth iced coffee in minutes. This is priced at $199.99. It promises exceptional convenience and brewing versatility. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comment section below.